Alright, guys, have a good day.
You too. Thank you. It's ripping apart. I see the. Ooh. Yikes. Oh, the line is long. Yeah, I see.
Right this way, all the way in, all the way in.
All personnel. Ancient structures may not be stable where unsupported with additional bracing.
What? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Your transport is now waiting for you.
Squads?
Okay, I wasn't expecting to go here so fast.
A car bound personnel. This is your final call to board.
That was a fast pass time, right?
Yeah, it was. Oh, not fast pass. It was the the breakdown.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. My fast pass breakdown. You don't have fast pass this ride yet.
Check the binary motor. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Dum. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch! I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vacara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. 88, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under the control of the First Order. All personnel will exit the ship immediately.
I know, it's crazy. It's crazy. The way how they built this room is insane. The way how they built this room is insane. I love it so much. It's great.
Keep it moving.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving. We go. We go. We go. Keep it moving. That's great. I know, right? But the right side. I know, right? What? You did? Couldn't tell. Who? Yeah, I remember. Yep. Yeah. Big brain.
All the way down. How many of this unit? Two. Remember the color blue. Enter the cell. Color red.
Yes, blue. Blue. Blue, 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 blue. That's right there.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're with the Resistance. We're here to rescue you. Let's go. Go to the same colors we were still again. The orange and gray on your right, red and blue on your left.
Blue? Blue? This one. It was white. That's why I was
We have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Secotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have breach and detention block breach.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detection of LMG.
There they are! Fire!
This thing pops just for us. Take the risk now. Right. No, not up. I said down.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Mistake. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pocket.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Oh.